Hi, I finally made this curry puff my own. This is homemade. Now it's as big as my hands, okay, my palm. Alright, now this is sardine, okay, sardine. Now look at the, okay, it's quite crispy. Now look at that, okay, look at that, okay, it's very runny. Now this is the sardine puff, okay, this is very runny, okay. Actually inside there's also a quail egg, right? So this one is the other one. Okay, I'm going to break it. Okay, this one is the curry potato. All right, now this one is potato, you can see. No, that is the quail egg. Okay, very small. Okay, and okay, it's quite it's not dry. Okay, you can see it's not dry. Okay, generous amount of filling. This one also the same for the sardine. Okay, generous amount of filling. Okay, it's not epok-epok oxygen. Okay, and it's not bawang. It's not just onions. All right. So now I'm just curious, how much will you pay for this? Okay, please comment. All right, how much will you pay for this? Is it $2, $160, $180? All right, feel free to comment. Thank you.